Hello, I'm Said Waleed from English classes. In today's lesson, I'm going to cover the most important consonant sounds in English language. I know you are all looking for a better way to have a good pronunciation while you're learning the English as a second language. Why today's lesson is important? Because it avoids you to have mispronunciation of the letters TH together. Together, TH is always pronounced as th or the. They are never pronounced as t, d, or z, or s. Well, most students learning the English language for the first time have problem pronouncing the IPA sounds such as th and the. Instead of th, they pronounce t or s. And instead of the sound the, they pronounce d or z. So to avoid all mispronunciation, in this lesson we are going to study about the sound th and the sound the. Now let's start practicing the pronunciation of these sounds. To pronounce the sound the or th, you need to touch your front teeth with your tongue, like th, th, or the. If you have problem pronouncing the sounds the or the sound th, try putting your finger in front of your mouth and then try to touch your finger with your tongue. Just like this. Th, th, or the. I know you need so much practice, but it's the best way to avoid mispronunciation of these IPA sounds. If you see the letter TH in a word, you should check the dictionary to see whether it's pronounced the or th. Remember, the sound the is a voiced consonant sound, and the sound th is a voiceless consonant sound. Examples: thank you, thing, think, month, mouth, teeth. When I pronounce the sound th, my tongue is equal to my lips. Look, teeth, teeth. You can see that my tongue is touching my finger while I pronounce the sound th. Example: teeth, teeth. Practice the way I'm doing it, you will get used to it. At first it sounds little difficult, but in fact it's very easy. Once you get used to it, you won't have any problem while you pronounce this sound. Now let's do some practice with the sound the. It's a voiced consonant sound. This, father, together, together. You see, you can hear the sound the. It's not the or it's not z. It's the. Now let's see how we make mistake with the sound th and the sound the. First, we'll start with the sound th. Now let's see the examples for these three different sounds. The sound th, the sound t, and the sound s. Thunk, thunk. tank, sank. The first word is with the th, thank. The second word is with the letter T and it's pronounced T, tank. The third word is with the sound S, which is pronounced sang, which is the past form of sink. Theme, team, seam, tenth, tent, and tense. 3 different words, 3 different letters, 3 different pronunciations. Let's practice the sound the. When we pronounce the sound the, we sometimes by mistake pronounce d or z. Example, instead of they, we say day. They, day. 2 different words, 2 different letters, 2 different sounds. One more example. Then, din, and zin. The first word starts with th and it's pronounced the. The second word starts with d, which is pronounced d, it's din. And the third word, it starts with z, with the sound, with the letter z, with the sound z, zin. Again, I want to repeat, the sound th is a voiceless consonant sound, and the sound the is a voiced consonant sound. If you want to practice, just put your finger in front of your mouth and try to touch it with your tongue. Th and the. I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you want to continue following my videos, click the subscribe button, push the bell icon, and hit the thumbs up. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson.